Gone through the night, searching for light. Paws on the ground, ready for a fight. Moon shining bright, guiding my way. The call of the wild every single day. Running with the pack, hearts full of fire. Through the shadows, rising higher. Life of a wolf, untamed real. Feel the rhythm, can't conceal. Out to the stars, under the midnight sky. Senses awake as I run and fight. Echoes and valleys where I lay my head. A symphony of survival as I forge ahead. In harmony with nature, instinct leads the way. Soulful striving night and day. The blues of the wild, deep as the sea. Life of a wolf ever wild and free. Ooh. Ruling with the pack in step and sound. Under the stars, all this spirit unbound. Drums of the dirt pulsing through my veins. Feel the rhythm and break the shade. Under your orders, let my heart declare. Break the sound, sing the word. A story unfolds in the night's cool embrace. Beat on the path without leaving a trace. The beat of my heart sink with earth's song in the land where the fierce and the free belong. Running with rhythm, how through the dreams, chasing the shadows, tearing at the seams. Life of a wolf, soulful and true. Feel a beat as the night paints its blue. My pulse alive, move in the darkness where the moonlight shines. A fur on my back, courage in the stride. This untamed soul won't be denied.